Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage here once again. Yesterday I had these disgusting things. Today is Crackles, the nation's favourite Crackles. Okay, maybe these are Crackles, not... I thought these were pork scratchings, but apparently they're two different things. Triple cooked and seasoned pork. Just like the pork scratchings. They look like the stuff from the scratchings. Let's try this. Yeah. Ugh. No, that's salty as fuck. Ugh. Oh. Oh, how can anyone fucking eat this? Oh. All I can taste is fucking salt. Oh. So apparently it's only 0.7 grams, but that's bullshit. It's more like 300 grams per scratching. Crackles. It's nothing but salt flavour. Ugh. Ugh. Revolting. I hope the next thing I try isn't as bad as this or these. I mean, this one isn't as bad as this. This is just pure salt to me, and I hate the taste of fucking salt. I know humans need a bit of salt, but that doesn't mean I have to like it. I hate the freaking taste of salt. Ugh. Anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, tally ho.